Mercedes-Benz booth. This is the brand new SL. It's been redesigned from the ground up, like we said. It got a lot of good features here. They basically taken the frame and integrated things like speakers into the frame, a lot of aluminum products they've used to build the actual car. They're taking like 300 pounds roughly off of the car. They have great features like if you have the key in your pocket, you can go to the back of the car, wave your foot under the car, and it will automatically raise the roof up. So great technical stuff. You have more butt room, more elbow room in the car. And basically, as we told you, the new SL, they've integrated speakers into the frame so you get a lot more bassy feel, a lot more features on the car, more leg room. Come and check it out. She's one nasty monster, of course. The interior, the seats have all been redesigned. So a totally new SL from the ground up. So if you got the money to spend, great car for the money. You're definitely going to love it. A lot more horsepower. They bumped it up to, I believe, 429 from like 385. So it's definitely a nice car. Test Drive America, baby. Don't go on.
Seven different stitching combinations. Leather, Acura, we got a bunch of different combinations. No other thing is alike. There are only 500 things they made in the world. That being said, 130 this is an extremely cheap start. My good friend over here on the right, when you know how you open the door, well, we have scoops. Yeah, is that it?
You know, the American International Auto Show. Now, I don't have to say much about this car. Maybach 57S. Speaks for itself. You gotta love it. Test Drive America. Don't go nowhere. Acura's booth, brand new NSX concept. Now originally this car, a few years ago when they first displayed it, was a V10 model. Basically Honda hasn't come up yet with what they're going to use as far as power plant, the output of it, but supposedly it's going to be going with a V6 model, and they'll come out with the model very shortly in a few years, but it's going to be a great car. They tried to basically get the same feeling of being behind the wheel of an R8. You guys just take a look at it. I mean, she's one sexy monster. Now this car should cost only a third of what a lot of supercars cost, so it'll be roughly around about $100,000. So you got a few bucks to spend, want to have yourself a little fun, don't want to buy an R8, get yourself one of these. If you want to come on over for you smaller buyers, you come over to the ILX. Now the ILX, which is brand new, this is basically based off of the Civic model. As you know, it's basically just a Civic with after the battery. They've redesigned some of the sizing. Some of the body lines are much definitely different. And as you can see, wheels, big brake kit. So it should be a nice car. It should be like a way better performance and a luxury style Honda Civic.
A spacious, compact car that offers you all of the interior roominess of a mid-size car. The Dart hits the mark with world-class aerodynamic performance, compliments of its modernly styled exterior and innovative technology. technologies that you don't typically find in the compact sedan segment. The Dart spent more than 600 hours of development time in Chrysler Group's state-of-the-art aeroacoustic wind tunnel to optimize airflow around the vehicle without compromising its styling or its engine cooling requirements. The Dart's dramatic and confident attitude starts up front with Dodge's signature vertical nose and signature crosshair grille. The headlamps and tail lamps are designed around projector lamps for a more compressed, sleek, and wider-looking graphic shape. This is a new grille that will debut on the 2013 Dart, and it will be available in 4 different finishes, depending upon the model. The Dart is the first Dodge vehicle to employ an active grille shutter system, and that automatically closes the airflow through the lower intake when cooling is least needed. That's going to result in roughly 3 to 5% reduction in drag compared to a vehicle that doesn't have that technology. So that's just one great example of the mix between beauty and functionality that you're going to find throughout this innovative and compact.
North American International Auto Show 2012. We're here at the Lincoln MKZ concept. Beautiful car. I have no idea when it's going to come out, but she's one sexy monster, best believe that. So keep it locked. Test Drive America, North American International Auto Show 2012, baby. Keep it locked.
And enjoy the rest of your day here at the Detroit Auto Show.
Be a plug-in hybrid for the Accord class, and they will all feature a direct injection for the first time ever for Honda in the U.S. market on the 4 and 6 cylinder. And because of that, we are looking to get best-in-class fuel efficiency on the Coupe and the sedan for 2013. We are also going to be giving away a car here at Honda, so for those of you that have heard, those rumors are in fact true. We're giving away a 2012 CR-V. It's only a 30-second survey that we're asking of you, so all you do is give us 30 seconds of your time. We can get you in an all-new CR-V the first week of May. They only call you if you win.
molecule. It travels down its own path and it generates electricity. That's what's going to power the vehicle. And the byproduct is water vapor. So hydrogen being very abundant in the atmosphere makes it a desirable alternative in addition to natural gas vehicles and plug-in hybrids. And then the fact that it's so eco-friendly. Nothing but water vapor coming out of the tailpipe. Toyota's been working on fuel cell technology since 1997.
Test Drive America. We're here live in Detroit, Michigan. We just left the North American International Auto Show. We're here at GM Global Headquarters, right here on the border of Detroit and international waters. Canada's right across the other side. You gotta love it. I'm a big fan of General Motors, so we couldn't come all the way to Detroit and not show you my favorite manufacturer's global headquarters, right? I mean, this is basically where all the magic happens, all the big decisions are made. And if any execs are watching, I'm waiting on a new truck, okay? I'm just a fan of a new truck, so I'm waiting on one. But Test Drive America, keep it locked. It's just beginning of the year, it's just January. First show of the year, biggest show of the year. We covered it, covered everything. I mean, we're basically showing you a driver's side passenger ride seat. So keep it locked, Test Drive America.